Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Aquarius, your channel messages, the Fool card, use protection. So I'm getting, you're going to get laid. I'm going to use protection. You don't want this dirty hole giving you STDs, and if you're the dirty, you don't want to be giving her any either. I'm also getting the Fool card. You know how slip-ups are, and if you are a man who is not sexually experienced, you need to say that, because pre could be just as deadly as, so you might faster than you think. It's okay. That's what happens when you're fucking a girl who wants to fuck you. Okay, great. But use protection, the Fool card. I'm getting something going to happen in the spark of the moment. You are going to be consensual when it comes down to it, so make sure you have a condom on you. Telling girls you're going to use plastic bag. What kind of fuckery that? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your family tree tarot reading. Let's see what is the blessing on the female side of the family. We have the 7 of Pentacles. I'm getting all your females know how to work. They have to go to work. Okay, so I'm getting all of the females are workers. I'm getting them doing manual labor. So these are construction workers. These are like cleaners. I'm getting all of your females were very independent women, and they did a lot of manual labor. That's the gift, right? When you can arrange a house on yourself, when you knew how to do little basic manly things on yourself. What is the curse? The Star card. The curse is even though when you work like a man on a construction site, when you come back from constructing, you are constructing your tits. I'm getting your life to take off your clothes a lot. Maybe you do both. Maybe you do something provocative online plus your work manual labor. That's okay. This is healthy masculine and feminine energies to me. You are a girl when you want to be, even if that means as a matter of fact, I saw Gabrielle Union picture, right? That's how she look. Gabrielle Union, first of all, I really shouldn't have an opinion. I'm homeless, that's the first thing. The second thing is she's somebody's wife. She forget that. Dwayne is not giving her any attention. Or apparently, Dwayne does not like his wife as much as you think. They are co-parenting for the fact to keep up this image of their daughter being a daughter. You're a 50-something-year-old woman. Why she look this way? Dwayne approve that? You tell your man and your man said yes. You tell me say you there with Dwayne and tell Dwayne say me go post. So one picture here me go post. She don't want t-shirt something. I tell her say anytime you see a woman post picture like that, I call man not give them no attention. Because they haven't had sex in a long time. They've been masturbating a lot. That's why women do that. Dwayne is either not into women, he's not into his wife, or he's too busy with his son becoming a daughter. Because you can't tell me why. And I'm going to tell you what happened to Gabrielle Union. Gabrielle Union, you were one of the black women in Hollywood that did not. No man couldn't tell you for suck dick for your role. Me getting everybody knew who you were and you played a specific type of character. Very, very easy, Gabrielle. But because you, Kiki Palmer, and few other people in Hollywood did this, which some people would say, I saw you must do Hollywood, but that's also a mistake. You see, no man never want fucking a Hollywood because they're afraid of you. So now you're 50, you take off your clothes. Because now you want the attention what the producers and the want you to do when you're younger. But you say that this type of girl you are, you will never do something like that. You're selling your morals, you are inspiration to young women. So you never take off your clothes, you never go on your dick, and you never take a shower with the producer when you were young. That's why you're 50, married, having after 3 kids, you post picture like this. What kind of nastiness is that, Gabrielle Union? Your clit is not unionizing. What the fuck is happening? You're 50, you have kids. That is no different than Kim Kardashian. You're doing the same thing. That's why nobody can. You talking shit about Kim K, bitch. Bible, don't talk shit about Kim K either. Cause she has sell her. Okay. She don't even sell her pussy. Men are auctioning her for her pussy actually. Her pussy is on auction actually. That is what Kim Kardashian pussy is. What is the difference between Kim Kardashian doing what she's doing and Gabrielle doing and I post that on fucking Instagram? You did that for how much likes? You did it for likes. Why you never OnlyFans it? You could have revenue off of it. Dumb hoe. You a dumb hoe. You could have put that picture up on an OnlyFans as your one picture and you could have made money. Now here's a 50-fucking-year-old woman that tell the world say 53 looks so good. We know 53 look good. We see our mothers. You don't know that? You tell me because you're the blood clot Hollywood stage, you're refrain from cracking. Some of us are so poor, we're using Windex as lotion. We don't fucking crack, right? You have 50 other take off your blood clot clothes. You have a son just turn into a daughter. Are you teaching a daughter how to dress like a slut so early? You're teaching your son that wants to be a daughter to take off him clothes so early? What we going to say when your son take off his clothes at 18? That's disgusting. I don't like the behavior. But that's what happens in Hollywood. Especially when you're second, you want Hollywood to see you with man and kids and family. Sweetie, marriage is boring unless you marry your best friend. Boring, no, like, boring. My God, what you doing to them? What you doing today, ma'am? I want to read my Bible tonight. But you know, somebody want to get freaky or something. Suck your dick. Let me ask you a question. Lord God, forgive me. You think Mary was getting skin in the making of Jesus? No. The Holy Ghost did not suck Mary's. So you telling me you want to tonight? Take up your Bible about you want to a boring girl. I'm going to turn it, you know. I'm boring the fuck girl. When you can't say not to blood clot, Kim Kardashian. That's what happens in the industry. They take your daughters, they turn them to sluts. And if they're not sluts by age 50, guess what? The pressure of you not being called a slut is going to make you want to be a slut. That's why the girl them not like the girl them a fucky because them afraid you fuck them man. So now you're 53 taking off your clothes like that. Because you want to be a slut so bad, huh? You want a man for want you so bad. Because obviously the way you do not like. You know what I mean, right? Great. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Did I even start your reading? I did not. Okay, let us go ahead. Aquarius, use protection, the Fool card. Let's see what the blessings is when it comes down to the females in the family. The Ace of Wands. So, just like Gabrielle Union picture, I'm getting something about sex. Are you teaching the blessing is the penis in your family? So, I'm getting is either the man them or the blessing, because they protect the girl them, or I'm getting the blessing is appeasement. What's the curse? Yeah, literally, appeasement. I'm getting your family, girl, the family, all them a pick me girls, all them do a serve, please man, do all of this, give man sex when them want, blah blah blah. Okay. You don't have baby for them, you just them. Okay. But there's different parts of the spectrum, you know. So when you hear me say one thing, it don't exempt me from saying the other. So I'm getting that's why the girl in your family learn. You just serve man, you cook. You get no husband, you know. You don't cook, you don't clean, look how you dress. No man now gonna want you. That's what a lot of our parents tell us as women. They tell us if we can't cook, if we can't clean, and if we don't submissive, no man now gonna want we. Meanwhile, Suki and a man refuse to cheat on her. He will not cheat on her. So what the fuck your grandmother telling me? Maybe that bitch was senile. She probably had Parkinson's. That's why she didn't know where the fuck to park, right? Me getting and that's your mother tell you. Anytime, make sure you cook for him, you know. Make sure you have to treat. Blah, blah. You see when man want you, they do everything for you. You ever tell you, one man cooked for me already. The guy could not cook, but he tried. He gave me rice, something, and he cooked up mango in it. And it was the worst dish I ever fucking tasted in my life. Because it was a Caucasian man. But at the same time, the effort of him didn't want me to sit on a bed, watch TV while he prepares something for me. The food never tastes good. I never really tell him. But at the same time, because him can't, I don't know where this take up and buy. Because him can't cook, right? He could not cook for save him fucking life. Him can cook waffles. Him can't even boil fucking egg. Because his mom does everything for him. But him attempt to cook for me. The cooking tastes a fucking bad, right? But at least him try. Him wanted to say, okay, she in a bed. I'm gonna wake her up with something nice and give her. So your mother tell you for please, man. Ask her where a man there. He's dead. He's with the side bitch down the road. He's broke, right? But she teaching you that is what you're bad. All of my family know how to take care of a man, but the man is not yours alone. So you rub him foot, you wash him clothes, you take care of him, and then I'll go out and fuck a bitch who doing nothing for him. So your mother tell you, say you need to learn to cook, wash, cook and clean and be submissive to a man. You know what other girls' parents I tell them? Do not give that man pussy until he buys you the ring, sweetheart. He wants to be in your what business do you have with my daughter? Do you work? How much do you work? 60,000 a year? My daughter is going to ask that. My daughter requires 30. You plan to give her half? Well, you're not married to her. Other people, fathers and mothers are telling their daughters, do not the man until the man at least buy you something valuable. But your mother, your African mother tell you, say if you don't know for clean what, your dirty blood clot, big pussy Jamaican mother, sorry mom, your big pussy Jamaican mother tell you, say if you don't know for blood. My mother never tell me that. You think Sonia blood clot Williams ever look at me and tell me, say, Vanessa, if you don't know how to wash, cook and clean, you're not gonna get a man. My mother never tell me that. She tell me be careful who you breed for. That's what she tell me. She never tell me, say, we'll never get a man cooking rice like that. You will never get a man making dumpling like that. My mother never ever tell me, say the way out, forget it. My mother never. Yet there is women when they with man for 10 blood clot years and they never give them a blood clot ring before. But the fuck you telling me? You're teaching your daughters, you have to give him sex when he more, make sure you dress this way. That's what your mother telling you. You know what some people father tell them? Do not give that man your number until he buys you a phone so he can call you on. He wants to be with you, he has to show he's a provider. He can't even smell your blood clot perfume if he not provide for you. People in the Philippines, you can't even them daughter good unless you give them a dowry. But your mother tell you, say you need to go up on your knee and know for shine blood clot. Ground with coconut brush for blood clot, man. That's the difference, people. I am from North America, I am not from Africa. Oh my foo-foo, oh my god. I don't know where I'm gonna put it on. Oh my god, you know, my Nigerian princess, I love when you just cook fufu for me and you just make me clean the house with your nice pine salt. I'm not African, I'm Jamaican. My mother tell me said that all of the best pum pum they at Kingston. Some buy a Birkin, Fijera Kingdom. That's where I come from. When you give man say them buy your things or them give you money. Oh my African princess, I cannot wait until the fufu is made fresh off the stove and I can smell it as well as smelling your essence. I come from Jamaica. Okay, great. Let us see what's happening with the men, the males. The Tower card. I'm getting the man them is very unpredictable. You don't know where they are. I'm getting the man them in and out of prison. And that's the curse. So you're there with prison man. Oh yeah, the curse is none only not have no man. Wow. So all of your man them lock the fuck up. Is it because of what you was doing for them? Was it the cooking? What the fuck happened? Right? That's the curse. The blessing is, yeah, not only did them, and if your man them not lock the fuck up, them just walk away. Cause man, tell you already said there's two things you cannot predict. You cannot predict man and Canadian weather. You hear me tell you? You hear me tell you, right? So your man is telling you how to please a man to keep him around. Let me tell you something, as long as you give a man a chance to fuck you, he will fuck you. If you have a wife, he will still fuck you. If you have a baby mother, he will still fuck you. If you're the wife and boss, he will still fucking fuck you, right? Man will fuck you for anything, any reason on this world, man will fuck you for. And me getting the man them in your family, all of them abuse or they walked away from their baby mothers or they're in prison. So is your mom teaching you how to stay in a long distance relationship with prison man? What the fuck she telling you how to do? What is the gift from your mother? The 10 of Cups. Yeah, that's why your home don't happy. That's why you're there the 10 of Pentacles, but you don't have happiness. You know, say it's a rain upon the family. Because you're wondering, what should I do? Why is he not having sex with me? You are trying to have sex with him and I tell you, say, babe, you're not wet like one time. And you're like, really, nigga? I take off my clothes to have sex then. You're tell me some juice is not slippery? They must set up for failure. If your mother, I am so sorry to my 18 to 20 to 25 to 35 to 40, even any adults watching this. I'm sorry, your big clit mother, your big dirty suck pussy mother will look like she, because she was frightened for man attention so fucking much. I'm sorry that she told you that. It's a lie. You don't need to be anything for a man. Because what you are, a man out there is too. You tell me say there's nobody who's like you, but them a one man. Your mother tell you say she criticize you, she call you ugly, she tell you your nose ugly, your face ugly, or you will never get a man doing this, dressing this way, having on this, all type of, she tell you, she chat about things are hoes and shit. Your mother tell herself to suck some dick, right? Your mother tell you everything. I'm sorry that bitch told you that. I'm sorry. The only thing you need for be, for a man for really want you, if you're happy alone. Because a man love their own woman with smile. Sometimes a smiling woman take a man from them long distance, or a woman with them with long term, because them say when them go home, them wife is bitching all the time. All you have to do is be comfortable with who you are, whether you're big or you're fat or you're skinny like skeleton, and you just smile. If you're happy enough to smile, you will gain man attraction. You don't have to be anything but yourself, because man love woman who comfortable with themselves. You hear me tell you? It's only when them try to trick you or them try to change you is when them don't like when you're comfortable. So what your mother teach you? Yeah, your mother set you up a failure. What your father teach you? The sun card. Now, obviously, some people, them will capture with a baby. So your mother make you attend to the man will impregnate you and then leave you. But also at the same time, as I was saying, my mother never tell me that. My mother just tell me, don't get pregnant for no man. You can have them, you take picture with them, you can get up in court situations with them. This is true, bad situations, you don't breed for them. As long as you don't breed for them, you're good. Because at least she was telling me what happened with her situation with whosoever. And then she, you hear? They will abandon you even if you don't breed for them, and they'll abandon you even if you breed for them. And your father should tell you. Ask your father why he's there with your mother so long. Ask your father, say, Dad, I'm a grown-ass guy, no, I want to ask you a question man to man. Have you ever cheated on mom? Watch him face. And if you're afraid to ask your father about his infidelity to your mother, then what is your father teaching you? Teaching the same thing Dragon Ball Z is teaching me. What is your ancestors saying? The Hierophant. The ancestors are saying that commitment is what tells you whether you are wanted or not. Your mother will tell you, say, you suck this way, cook this way, wash the place this way, sweep the house this way. You're still in an unhappy relationship. The man have a baby with you, him still walk away. Him locked up, you don't know what to do. You don't have to be anything in life to get a woman. You're not for rich, forget a woman. You're not for go gym, you're not for look the best ever, not no go so, not no blood clot go so. All you have to do is be committable to the one who you want to be with and you can be with them. You don't have to do nothing in life. They might tell you about wash, cook, clean. You have to do for make this, blah, blah, blah. Ask fucking, what name is it, Brad Pitt? Ask Brad Pitt how he's doing. Ask Brad Pitt what J-Lo had to do to be with him. Okay. Ask any man what would Scissor have to do to get them to eat ketchup off our ass. She wouldn't have to do nothing. But your mom, your bum ass mom, your big pussy mama telling you have to be a certain way in order to get a man's attention, bitch. Sukiana showed us the way. Don't make your mom fuck it up. Sukiana just paved the way of being who you are and a man still want you. Sukiana, man. Your bum ass mom is jealous of you. That's why she's telling you what to do to keep a man. Or probably her man liked you. I won't leave it here. No, I'm going to choose somebody. Magic. Huh? We have the moon card, your mother. Maybe your mother was doing magic on the men. We have being girls, right? Talk about, you need to do this, you need to do that for a man. For fucking what? For fucking what? You think Ed Sheeran would I ever say, yeah, you have to cook before you're with me, bitch? Bitch, you better make sure, you think Ed Sheeran asking me what the fuck I bring to the table? He told me he would love me if my legs don't work as it used to before. Man, fuck these other niggas, man. Ed Sheeran ain't asking these questions. Ed Sheeran said he loved the shape of me. You think Ed Sheeran asked the blood clot girl so she have to can cook, clean, where you can cook, how you tidy up your place, what you do, how you fold the laundry, you know how for iron. Ed Sheeran ain't asking these bitches this question, so get these guys out of here. Get them out. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Goodbye.